Guys, what's going on, man? You tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at the AA team parents that get into it. I've always said, like, I don't think I could coach kids not because of the kids. I'm sure the kids would listen, but the parents are wild. So that's what we're going to be looking at. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you would do on either end of the spectrum with these parents. If you're the coach, if you're one of the parents, let me know. I'll see you guys later. We're just going to get right into it.
I might make y'all leave. You don't shut up.
Yeah, that would be me as a kid, so I thought one of the parents should help. So the ref's not calling that? Honestly, I think some refs just come to games to ruin people's lives in sports. Kids there crying, like, it's not that serious, bud. Follow the calls. I would just take my kid off the court.
You want to watch the rest of the game?
Come on, hey, come on, ref the game.
I'll throw you out.
Actually, ref the game.
I'll throw you out too.
You ain't throwing nobody out in those shorts, man. Shut the hell up.
Make y'all leave. You don't shut up.
Get a long kick.
Shit do look tight. Why he need a sweat? Why he need a headband? Oh, that's Nate. Yo, parents are so annoying. I love that. I love that the kid is talking back. He ain't scared. Ooh! And one! Yo, this kid is funny. The way he's like... Alright, let me hear this now. I want to see his kid get cooked now. Oh, this kid's getting his hell low, ain't gonna lie. How was that a jump ball? They called the timeout. How was that a jump ball? These parents are not having it, man. Yeah, man, what is this cop gonna do? Just short ass. And his fat ass. Like, bro, you don't have to be in shape to be a cop. Like, how many days? Oh, I'm fat. You do need that. You do need a parent to be there sometimes to do this. Oh, we can't forget him. He's the ref. I ain't never seen a ref dressed like that.
I'm gonna go too. LeVar, you gotta get off the bench, LeVar. Yeah, just been ejected. Got hit with double checks. The people have spoken. They want LeVar to stay.
He didn't even see anything bad.
If LeVar gotta go, I gotta go too. I'm gonna take my lunch break.
Game winner. I ain't got no goddamn ice in his veins acting like that. Yeah, the moms don't play. That's one thing we know. Change what calls. Oh shit. Yeah, it's crazy to me that niggas are doing this at a kids' basketball game. Facts. Niggas telling you this game don't mean nothing to him. Just facts. Yo, he's funny. Them dreads though, kind of look like a hat. Wait, what the hell is on LeBron's back? Oh, like a lumbar support thing. For when he sits. He's basically saying, nigga, ain't nobody talking to you. Shut your ass up. You want to be spoken to. Oh! She got clapped in her face, then what?
No argument. We're not gonna argue. There's nothing to argue about. You in the wrong place to start, homie. Your son's too little for my son. He's too little, and he's nowhere near as good as another one. Look. Look. Score, right? Score, right? point. Hey, orange. Hey, yellow. Michigan, look at the score. Get blown out. Hey, Michigan, the score. You're getting blown out by 18. By 18.
Monty Bates. Oh, mine's girls though. Yeah, he is disgusting. These two girls. What are the refs supposed to be? Yeah, that's why. You can't be doing that. What? What are you doing? That's so unnecessary. Like, that's a kid.
Hey.
She's serious. Oh no. Oh, that boy was about to hit him. Oh. I don't mean to laugh. That was like cheap, but that was so funny. Why did he hit the ref? Is he saying like the ref? Oh no. Wait, is he in the right section or confused?
No. Did you see his first dunk?
Some of that shit was actually hilarious, to be honest. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button and that sub button if you're new. I'll see you guys later.